Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your smartwatch to a Realme mobile. First, ensure your Realme phone's operating system is up to date, preferably with the latest version. Make sure your smartwatch is fully charged and powered on, ready for pairing. You should also have the specific companion application for your smartwatch identified and ready for download. This initial preparation ensures a smooth connection process. Every smartwatch requires a dedicated app to function correctly with your phone. Check your smartwatch's manual or its packaging to find the exact name of its companion application. Once identified, open the Google Play Store on your Realme mobile and search for that specific application. Download and install the correct app, ensuring it is from the official developer to avoid any security issues. With the app installed, it is time to begin the pairing process. Navigate to your Realme phone settings and enable Bluetooth. Open the newly installed companion application, then follow the on-screen prompts to add device or pair new watch. Your phone will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices, listing your smartwatch by its model name. Select your watch to initiate the connection. Once you select your smartwatch, both devices will typically display a pairing code for verification. Confirm that these codes match on both your phone and watch to proceed. After successful pairing, the companion app will guide you through granting necessary permissions, such as access to notifications or health data. Configure your preferred settings within the app, customizing your watch's features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.